Hi guys, welcome to Sit on My Bits, and today I'm going to do another video on Bimbot Pro. I'll just place it on trades and see how we get on. But something else, I've been tipped off about something new that's coming out. Don't know too much about it yet. All I know is that it could be very good, but as soon as I hear any more, I shall let you know. But yeah, it's not out yet. I don't know what it's called. I've just been told by a friend of mine that there is something on the boil which could be very lucrative. But as soon as I hear any more, I'll let you know. But yeah, Bimbot Pro. What I'm going to do, similar to my other videos, really, there's not a lot I can do other than click the robots and let it trade, and then come back a bit later on and see how it's got on. Now, this trades for you, so I wouldn't advise just click it on and fuck off. I would keep an eye on it just in case it takes a turn for the worst. So even though it is an auto trader and it's trading for you, keep an eye on it. You know, like the video I did before, I had a couple of losses, so I knocked it on the head, stopped trading, just in case. You never know. The worst thing that can happen is suddenly the markets change and it all goes wrong. Something can happen, and then it can all change very, very quickly. And if you've got something that's trading, it could burn your account out. So be careful. Keep an eye on it. Very important. But what I'm going to do, like I said before, if I've started using this a bit late. I know it's been around for a couple of years. I know there's a lot of people using it. So, I mean, what I do is just pick the top 4 robots here that have got the highest percentage rate. Now, maybe some of these other ones are good. I don't know. But what's working for me, as you can see, my balance, 61 grand. That's what's working for me. Using those 4 that have got the highest profit percentage. Now, if anyone's got any tips, if anyone's using any of these other robots, I'll be interested to know how they're performing. I mean, I've just stuck it at that, using those top 4, because that's what's worked for me. But if anyone is using any of these robots that have got the smaller profit percentage, let me know. I'll be interested to know. Now, you may wonder why I've left that in there like that, and that's only because with this, I mean, I'm probably suck eggs because a lot of people are already using this, but it trades 10% of your balance. So I've left that in there. So as it builds up, it's placing bigger trades. And so far, touch wood, it's working in my favour. So as it's placing bigger trades, the balance is going up, and as it's performing well, it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So if I was to say withdraw a load of that and left say 10 grand in there, then it's only going to place 10% of the 10 grand. So why it's got 61 grand in there, it's placing bigger trades. I mean, I say this is new to me. I haven't been using it long, but so far this is working. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to run these top 4 robots. So Crypto ADX, run that one. Risk across, run that one. X Profit, I know this is probably similar from my other videos, but if it's working, don't change it. That's what I think. X Profit, and then Ichimoku. I love that one, Ichimoku. And run that one. So if you look up here, you can see there I've got the 4 robots running now, and they will place trades. Now, what I've noticed with this is that it tends to place trades in blocks of 3 or 4, which is good because it's not just placing trades willy-nilly, which can be dodgy. But yeah, it places trades, I find, in blocks of 3 or 4. Which is better. Say if you keep an eye on it, rather than it just there you go. See, so it's placed 4 trades there. So rather than it just placing trades, bang, 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 which is hard to be in control of. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep it at that. You can see it's placed 4 trades there, right on cue as I'm talking about it, placing 4 trades. And I will come back a bit later on, and we'll see how we got on, see if it's still performing well. I think I'm in 2 minds whether to withdraw or whether to keep it in there to carry on trading with. And I think while that formula seems to be working, I don't know. I'm not sure. I think about it, but I think at the minute maybe keep it how it is. So see there, look, that trade money's now gone out, which you can see is a big lump there. But I say it's placed 4 big trades. So I'm going to leave that trading for a bit and we'll see how we get on. I'll come back after those trades have come in. It takes 10% of your balance and the trades are roughly 10 minutes. So I'll come back in a bit. I'll pop the video on pause and I'll be back in a bit and we'll see how we get on. Okay guys, so I'm back. As you can see, those first four trades, 3 have come in and 1 has lost. And then it's placed another 3 trades. And if we go back to the robots, you could see, yeah, my balance is at 47,000. So 1 loss there so far. So not looking too bad. But I'll be back in a bit when these 3 come in and we see how we get on. Okay, but what I think I'm going to do is I think I'm going to turn the robots off for now, and then I'll see how they get on. Turn them all off, see how those trades get on when they come in, and then I'll turn it back on. So quick little update and I'll be back with you again soon. Okay guys, so I'm back, and as you can see, those last 3, I'm glad I turned it off because that last one lost. So out of 7 trades, I've only had 2 losses, so not too bad. If I go back to the robots, yeah, 68 grand. So I made about, I was on 61 something, wasn't I? So I made about 7 grand just in those few trades. But like I said, keep an eye on it like that. I'm glad I turned it off, obviously, because we're trading this amount. That's a big losses, you know. That's probably what, like 12, 13 grand loss. But overall, I'm still in profit. So what I think I'm going to do, maybe put a withdrawal request in, and then carry on, I think. But yeah, it's performing well. So I was just lucky there that I'd stopped those robots. Say always keep an eye on it, always keep an eye on it. And I stopped the robots. And I mean, who's say if I left it on, it may have carried on winning, but I wasn't prepared to risk it. So yeah, very simple to use. If you want to check it out for yourself, there's a link below the video. Like I say, I just use top 4 robots, but just because it's performing well for me. But yeah, I'm happy with that. So about 7 grand up just with a few trades. I know they're big trades, but yeah, I think I'll do put a withdrawal request in and then carry on doing what I'm doing. If it's not broken, don't fix it. Anyway, if you want to check it out yourself, Bimbot Pro is a link below the video, and I'll be back with you soon with more updates and reviews. Thank you.